Okay, today I would like to explain to you this project. This is the project I did. I'm sorry if I didn't post video the last week because my computer has been hacked by someone, and I don't really like that, but I managed to fix it. So my computer is working very perfectly again today. So okay, just right here you can see my thermometer, my digital thermometer. To do this thermometer I'm using, I prefer to use a MikroC microcontroller, the PIC16F877A. I wanted to use the microcontroller to learn how to do the conversion of analog to digital, because my microcontroller understand the analog input, because this sensor is an analog sensor, so it send the temperature, it send the value to the microcontroller as a voltage. So what I do with my microcontroller, I got to convert this voltage to a digital value, and then send this digital value to my LCD, just you can see. So here you see every 2 seconds is coming and read the value, and it display the value 14, and here 15, after 2 seconds 15. So that's how I did my code to be able to do that and display that. So right now I'm going to show you my code. So I use the MikroC Pro to do this product, because it's a MikroC microcontroller that I'm using. So okay, right here is my code. Here I set up the LCD connection in my code, so I got to make my code to make my microcontroller to understand the connection of the LCD on it. So right here I set up my different value here, and here I convert the analog input to a digital. So the temperature sensor, which send a value like a voltage, which is analog, I convert it to digital so my microcontroller can understand what is it. So I use this register from the MikroC, and this register is inside the PIC16F877A. So that's the value I give to this register, so it's going to be able to convert an analog to a digital. So right here I initial my LCD. Right here I display the temperature. I clear the LCD first, and I display the temperature. Right here I rate the value sent by my temperature sensor. Right here is the most important part. Don't forget to multiply value rate by my microcontroller to multiply this value by this other value, because this value is, don't forget that the sensor send the voltage value, so we got to multiply by this one. So it's going to be, so we're going to be able to have the temperature in Celsius. So don't forget this constants. And here I rate the 100. So I took the value rate by my microcontroller and take the rest of this value. When I divide the value by 10, I take the rest. The rest is the 100. Is the 100 on the value that I'm going to display on my LCD. Like this, the value I'm going to obtain here is this value on my LCD. Is this value, the 5. So is this value the 5? After I rate the hundreds, I go and I rate the tens. I rate the tens now. So I divide the value again by 10 and I take the rest. That's the meaning of this sign. So this way, the tent is going to be on my Proteus is going to be 1. So you see the temperature can go up every 2 seconds. It's going up. And I come here is the unit. I read the unit. So every time I divide by 10 and I keep the rest. That's the meaning of this value. And I display it on the LCD. Here is the first column. Here is the second column. Here is the third column, of course. And at the end, I display the value on my LCD. Here is the code to display the value on my LCD. And I delay from 200 milliseconds. So every 200 milliseconds is going to come back and read the time and read the value again that my sensor sent to my MikroC. And I do that every time. I don't stop doing that. That's the meaning of why 1. So with this code, I try to reduce the work, of course. Okay, thank you very much, and like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.